There is nothing more frustrating than facing the first massive winter storm only to discover your snowblower is weak, slow, or refusing to start. And that is exactly why proper pre-season servicing is your ultimate shield against winter failure. Welcome to WholeToolBox, your trusted source for tool care and premium snowblower replacement parts. To begin servicing your machine, always warm up the engine first, because warm oil drains more efficiently. Check the oil level and make sure the engine runs smoothly without the choke and without surging, which tells you the carburetor is in good shape. Open the dipstick to let air into the crankcase, locate the drain tube, loosen the plug, and let the hot oil carry out contaminants. Reinstall the plug using pipe thread compound instead of Teflon tape. Shut off the fuel valve and place a reminder that there is no oil in the engine. Then tilt the snowblower forward to access the drive system and prevent fuel leaks by placing plastic under the gas cap if fuel is still in the tank. Remove the access panels and wheels and apply nickel anti-seize to the axles so they do not freeze during winter. Inspect the chain, sprocket, and gears, and lubricate them with white lithium grease. Clean the friction plate thoroughly, and check belts and bushings before reassembling. Lubricate pivot points lightly, and lower the machine back down. Refill the engine with the correct amount of oil, add fuel stabilizer, remove the spark plug and clean it, and refresh the gearbox with grease. A well-serviced snowblower runs smoother and lasts longer, so for high-quality snowblower parts and accessories and expert maintenance guides, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.